New OnePlus TV listing hints at global release for unique 4K TV. Will the 55-inch set come to you? Is the OnePlus TV coming your way? A new Bluetooth SIG listing has revealed the existence of a new model of OnePlus debut television, and it may herald the arrival of the set on new shores. The OnePlus Q1 and Q1 Pro 4K TVs launched in late 2019 in India and China, and we've been waiting ever since to find out when they would be coming to Europe and the US. Something we know from OnePlus CEO Pete Lau is certainly on the table. Now, a new OnePlus TV and OnePlus TV Remote have been listed with Bluetooth SIG, which needs to approve Bluetooth-enabled devices before they enter the commercial market, and which gave us a heads up for the initial devices too. OLED versus QLED, which TV panel tech is better? Not got much space? We've got the small TVs for you. Unlike OnePlus initial registering for the first OnePlus TV devices, which involved 39 different model numbers, there's simply a single 55UAOAOO this time around. That suggests we aren't seeing an overhaul of the current range so much as a single 55-inch TV, which we could speculate is headed for a new region yet to get the OnePlus television. After releasing the set domestically in China, and somewhat locally in India, it makes sense for a single flagship 55-inch model to start testing the waters elsewhere. Whether that's the US, UK, or Europe is anyone's guess, but the OnePlus TV seems a little bit closer today to new territories than it was before. Why the OnePlus TV? The interest in the OnePlus TV was high from the outset, with rumored Bluetooth capabilities hinting at new connective TV technologies we hadn't seen before. The end result wasn't quite revolutionary, but it was classic OnePlus, aiming to bring quality performance and stylish design to consumers at exceptional value, pricing below the likes of Samsung and LG but above budget manufacturers such as Xiaomi or Hisense. The slide-out integrated soundbar gives the OnePlus TV a pretty unique form factor too, with a proprietary Bluetooth remote that ensures it feels a bit different from the competition. There are technically two OnePlus TVs, the Q1 and Q1 Pro, with varying audio capabilities, but the single model number listed above suggests only one of those is making the move abroad. We'll let you know the moment we find out.